Today we are going to see some more examples which are related to the rationalization of the denominator of the given expression. Here the first example is that rationalize the denominator of 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. So 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2, I have written the given expression again. 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2 in the bracket, denominator is in the bracket. Now the conjugate pair of denominator is 7 minus 3 root 2. If 7 plus 3 root 2 is there, then we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate pair means 7 minus 3 root 2, and numerator also will multiply by 7 minus 3 root 2. So write the numerator as it is 7 minus 3 root 2. Here a plus b into another bracket a minus b means if a plus b and a minus b is there, then we know the identity, that is a square minus b square. So write numerator as it is 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 square minus square of 3 root 2. Here square of 7 is 49 minus 3 square is 9 into root 2 square is 2. So 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 49 minus 9 to the 18. Again 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 49 minus 18, that is equal to 31. That is the solution of our given expression. Here we will see the next example, that find the value to 3 places of decimals. If root 2 is equal to 1.414, root 3 is equal to 1.732, root 10 is equal to 3.162, and root 5 is equal to 2.236. All these values are approximate values. And now to the related values, our example is that root 10 minus root 5 upon root 2 means we have to find the value to the 3 places of the decimal of the given expression. Here at the denominator, irrational number, that is root 2 is given, so we must multiply numerator as well as denominator by root 2. So 10 minus root 5 upon root 2, I have written the given expression as it is, and to the numerator and denominator I have multiplied by root 2. Both numerator and denominators are multiplied by root 2. Now root 2 into root 2, it will be 2. Here we have to apply the law of distributivity, that is a into bracket b minus c. So it will be ab minus ac. So root 2 into root 10, root 2 into root 10 minus root 2 into root 5, root 2 into root 5. Here the order of both the radical signs is 2. Order is not given means it is 2. So same order is there. So we have taken only one radical sign and put 2 into 10 in that radical sign with order 2 minus. Here similar procedure can be done here, that is root 2 into root 5 will be under root 2 into 5 divided by 2. Here under root 2 10s are 20 minus 2 5s are 10. But mind well that though the orders of both the radical signs are same, there is no direct subtraction or addition of the these irrational numbers. So here for 20 can be written in the form of 4 5s are 4 into 5 is 4 5s are 20, so that square root of 4 it will be 2. So we will get here 2 root 5 minus root 10 as it is divided by 2. And now we have to substitute the given values here, that is 2 into root 5 is given 2.236 minus root 10 is given 3.162. Root 10 is given 3.162 divided by 2 as it is. And now if we multiply 2 into 2.236, we will get the value 4.472 minus 362 as it is. And the subtraction of these two numbers, we will get here 1.310 divided by 2 denominator as it is. And if we reduce the given fraction, then we will get the value 0.655. In this way, we have find the value to 3 decimal. Here 3 decimals are there, so 3 decimal places of the decimals. Now we will see the third example, that is simplify 5 plus root 6 divided by 5 minus root 6. So here 5 is integer, and integer, while root 6 is an irrational number. So one integer and one irrational number. The subtraction or addition of one integer and one rational number is there, irrational number is there. Then we have to take conjugate pair, and we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by that conjugate pair. Means 5 minus root 6 is there, then we will get its conjugate pair 5 plus root 6. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator of the given expression by 5 plus root 6. Here I have written 5 plus root 6 upon 5 minus root 6, that is given expression, and numerator and denominator of this expression is multiplied by 5 plus root 6 and 5 plus root 6. Here we know that if 5 minus root 6 and 5 plus root 6 means both the brackets are in the form of conjugate pair, means we know that a plus b into another bracket a minus b, then we will write a square minus b square. In this way, square of 5, that is 5 square minus root 6 square. So we will get here at the numerator both the brackets are same, means 5 plus root 6 into 5 plus root 6 means, if we know that square means multiplication of the same number by that number. So square of 5 plus root 6 will be here, and this bracket is a plus b bracket square, means a plus b bracket square, it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this way we can write here 5 square means a square plus 2, a means 5 and b means root 6 plus b square means root 6 square divided by here 5 square is 25 minus root 6 square is 6 and 25 minus 6 it will be 19. Here 5 square is equal to 25, 2 into 5 is 2 5 are 10 root 6 here plus square of root 6 is 6 and 25 plus 6 it will be 31 plus 10 root 6 divided by 25 minus 6, that is equal to 19. In this way we have simplified the given rational, the given expression having denominator irrational, and we have removed the radical sign from the denominator. Our fourth fourth example is that simplify 2 root 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3. Here 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3 is an irrational number, and now to rationalize the denominator we have to find its conjugate here, that is 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. So 2 root 3 minus root 5 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3, that is the given expression I have written here, and this numerator and denominator is multiplied by the rationalization factor, that is 2 root 2 plus is there, so I have taken here minus 3 root 3 here. So both numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same bracket. Here multiplication of two brackets is, first I have written this bracket 2 times, and multiply the first bracket by 2 root 3 and the second bracket by minus root 5. So I have multiplied here both the brackets, and now here 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3, this is a conjugate pair, and if conjugate pair is there, then we will take the difference of the squares of both the terms, means 2 root 2 square minus 3 root 3 square. Here 2 root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 3 minus root 5 into 2 root 2. But here, since minus sign is outside the bracket, inner side minus will get changed and it will become plus. So root 5 into 3 root 3. Root 5 into 3 root 3. Again, here multiplication of two irrational number means here we have to multiply first of all by the coefficients, means 2 and this 2. So 2 to the 4 and root 3 into root 2, that is root 6. 3 to the 6 minus here 2 3 the 6 into root 3 into root 3, it will be 3 minus here coefficient is not given, so I will take here 1. So 2 1 the 2 and 5 2 the 10 plus here coefficient is 1, so 3 1 the 3 and 5 3 the 15, so root 15. And now 4 2 the 8, because square of 2 is 2 square is 4, square of root 2 is 2 minus 3 square is 9 and root 3 square is 3. So 4 2 the 8 minus 9 3 the 27, and 8 minus 27 it will be minus 19. Here 4 root 6 minus 6 3 the 18 minus 2 root 10 plus 3 root 15 I have written as it is. And now all these terms I have written in the bracket, and minus sign is taken to the numerator. If minus sign is taken to the numerator, then the signs of the inner terms or inner number will get changed. This plus will become minus, this minus will become plus, this minus will become plus, and this plus will become minus. In this way, we get here minus 4 root 6 plus 8 plus 2 root 10 minus 3 root 15 divided by 19. Only I have to change that 18 is taken first, then 2 root 10 at the second number, minus 4 root 6 third number, and minus 3 root 15 at the last. So this is the answer of the given expression. Now there is one example, that is if both a and b are rational number, means a and b are the rational number, find the values of a and b of the given equality. Means we have to find the value of a and b in the given equality. Means value of LHS is equal to value of RHS. Now 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 minus root 7. I have multiplied numerator and denominator by the conjugate pair of 3 minus root 7. So 3 minus root 7, its conjugate pair is 3 plus root 7. So multiply numerator and denominator by 3 plus root 7. Write RHS as it is. Don't make any change at RHS. Now here both the brackets are same. So 3 plus root 7 bracket square will be there, and this is conjugate pair. So that will be in the form of a square minus b square. So 3 square minus root 7 square is equal to RHS. Then here a plus b bracket square, we know that a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and therefore I have written this bracket in the form of RHS of the given of this identity. Here 3 square plus 2 into 3 into root 7 plus root 7 square divided by 3 square is 9 minus root 7 square is 7, RHS as it is. Now 3 square is 9 plus 2 3 are 6, root 7 plus root 7 square is 7 divided by 9 minus 7 is 2. That is equal to a plus b root 7. And now here 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16 plus 6 root 7 divided by 2 is equal to a plus b root 7. And in this way, now I have to divide both, means 16 plus 6 root 7 divided by 2 means 2 divides 16 as well as 2 divides 6 root 7. So 16 upon 2 plus 6 upon 2 root 7, that is equal to a plus b root 7. 16 upon 2 means 8, 6 upon 2 means 3. So a plus 3 root 7, that is equal to a plus b root 7. And now we have given that is the equality. Equality means the values of corresponding a and b, means a is 8 and b is 3. In this way, equality LHS and RHS of the equality we get a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 3. So a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 3. Okay. Let us see one more example, that is prove that 1 upon 3 minus root 8 minus 1 upon root 8 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 plus minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2 is equal to 2. Means value of the expression is 5, and this is the example which we have to prove. So let us take LHS of the given expression. Means LHS, that is the left hand side expression. So LHS is equal to 1 upon 3 minus root 8 minus 1 upon root 8 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2. So rationalizing the denominator of the each term of the above expression, we get here conjugate pair of 3 minus 8 is 3 plus 8. Conjugate pair of root 8 minus root 7 is root 8 plus 7 root 7. The conjugate pair of root 7 minus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. Here conjugate pair of root 6 minus root 5 is root 6 plus root 5, and conjugate pair of root 5 minus 2 is root 5 plus 2. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator of each term with its corresponding rationalizing factor. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator of the first term by 3 plus root 8. Numerator of second term means numerator and denominator of second term by root 8 plus root 7. Multiply numerator and denominator of the third term by root 7 plus root 6. Multiply numerator and denominator of the fourth term by root 6 plus 5, and multiply numerator and denominator of the last term by root 5 plus 2. So here 3 plus root 8 divided by conjugate pair is there, so we will get 3 square minus root 8 square, minus here root 8 plus root 7 divided by root 8 square minus root 7 square, plus root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 square minus root 6 square, minus root 6 plus root 5 divided by root 6 square minus root 5 square, and plus root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 square minus 2 square. So 3 plus root 8 divided by, here 3 square is 9 minus root 8 square is 8. Here root 8 square is 8, root 7 square is 7. Here root 7 square is 7, root 6 square is 6. Root 6 square is 6 and root 5 square is 5. Here we will get 6 minus 5, and the last term is last denominator is root 5 square is 5 minus 2 square is 4. Here 9 minus 8 we will get 1, 8 minus 7 denominator is 1, 7 minus 6 here also denominator is 1, 6 minus 5 and 5 minus 4, we will get all the denominators 1, and therefore we get 3 plus root 8 minus into bracket root 8 plus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 plus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2. Here the terms or the brackets out of which minus sign is there, inner sign will get changed. So we will get 3 plus root 8 minus root 8 minus this plus root 7 will become minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2. Here root 8, root 7, root 6, root 5 and minus root 5. So all these terms will get cancelled and we will get 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5, and that is our RHS.